In this video, we bring to you a hillside container home in Cedar Creek, Queensland, Australia. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. Welcome back. Nestled into the hillside, this unique and modern home is strategically positioned to enjoy lush countryside views in every direction. The residence has been cleverly constructed from 3 shipping containers, offering an extra wing for the master retreat, giving the home a modern feel that blends seamlessly into its pristine bushland setting. This steel frame constructed home offers an open plan living and dining area that feels cozy and inviting, leading to the large breezy entertainer's deck that has plenty of space to welcome family and friends for lunch with a view. The house is sitting on a 2-car garage and a laundry room. From the entrance is a fully furnished open kitchen that has enough 2-tone cabinets to define the kitchen space, quartz countertops, well-finished kitchen backsplash, stainless steel appliances. The roomy living space features an elegant dining area fitted with a custom dining table and chairs. Next to the dining is a cozy lounge space, nicely furnished with a comfy leather couch, a smart TV, and a floor mat to define the lounge area. Adjoining the living room on both sides are 2 light-filled bedrooms, ideally oriented, and both lead to the large covered deck. The 2 bedrooms feature comfortable double beds, closets, and adequately sized high windows for privacy. The house has a stylish all-white bathroom that features a modern wash and basin, a large mirror that amplifies the bathroom space, and a fully tiled glass shower cubicle with a slit window that lights up the bathroom space. Off the living room is a comfortable home office cum study room that opens to the outdoors. From the home office is a well-lit breezeway. The breezeway opens into a resort-style master retreat that features a large queen-sized bed with ample pillows and a sitting area. The master bedroom is perfectly complemented by the large ensuite featuring a wet room, a twin soaker bath, a large vanity, and a well-equipped walk-in robe. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible on the interior as well as on the outside to celebrate the industrial charm of the design. The sun-soaked deck is a perfect spot from which to fully appreciate the stunning vistas and enjoy the warm evenings on a clear day. This 5-acre block includes 3 fenced paddocks, a generous pet-safe house yard, a chalk pen, and a large shed with a workshop. Which part of this amazing container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.